What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to hop on camera to talk about Textbot AI and some of the benefits that comes with Textbot AI. What is Textbot AI, you may want to know? Well, it is a virtual assistant by the name of AVA, which is your automatic robot that closes sales for you. And on your behalf, she sells your program or whatever products that you have that you want to promote. So she's coming on your behalf to sell you and do all the talking for you. That way you don't have to bug any family members or any friends that you may not want to bother. So she helps you on her behalf. So with that being said, there's many ways that you could promote AVA to get AVA to be activated. One of the first ways that I use is Craigslist. You could do Craigslist marketing. And then if you join up with me now, I definitely will show you step-by-step training that can help you to get you started on the right path, all right? Craigslist marketing. What is Craigslist? Craigslist marketing is a classified ad site where you can post ads in different types of categories. That way you can be able to get exposure to TextBot and bring these leads to Ava so she can be able to close those sales for you. That's one way. The second way I use TextBot is Instagram. Instagram is the number 2 site that I use. Posted ads, posted on the storyline. Number 3, Facebook. Facebook also, I use Facebook stories. I also post it on the wall on Facebook. I also post inside of Facebook groups. All these different types of methods you could be able to use to promote AVA. Once you get with TextBot AI, you will be assigned to an automatic phone number. This particular phone number can be shared. Once you share that, anyone who texts or calls AVA, she will be able to answer that call on your behalf and she will be able to close that sale. And you will start to see different leads coming through that funnel. So that's the best part of AVA. I've been enjoying it, TextBot, for a while to promote my primary business. You could also use it as a standalone in case if you don't have any businesses that you want to promote. Anything you would like to know more information about AVA, the link in the description will be below. If you'd like to get started with me, to get started with AVA is $100. $100 one time 100 bucks, and that's all you have to pay. And there's other features and other videos I will talk about AVA Plus, how you can increase your commissions, and every time someone buys AVA from you, you will receive $100 per commission. So how incredible is that, receiving $100 over and over again? All right, so that's a little bit what I have today for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for any more videos that I have for you guys. Any tips, tricks, and strategies that I can go over and teach you, and I can show you my method and strategies that I use to promote TextBot AI. All right, that's Double Up with Astro. Peace.